Stop the scroll with a killer featured image that makes people actually want to click. Here's how you can do it. On the blog post editor, go to the Settings tab on the left. And here, click the plus button for featured image. You can choose to upload your very own media, and you can find them once they're uploaded here under Site Files. You can also use media from Wix's Media Library or use an AI image using Wix's AI Image Creator. In my case, for today's demonstration, I'll be using media from Wix. And once you're done selecting, click on Add to Page, and your featured image should successfully be added right over here. Alternatively, you can also add an alt text to it in order to boost your SEO. Don't forget to click on Save to save your changes. And if your blog post has previously been published already, make sure to click on Publish again so that the changes you've made will reflect on your live post as well. That's it for today. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.